And sometimes we record just to see what clearing the snow can do. So I pushed the 15 inches or 14 inches of snow out of the way, and now Eric can spin. Go ahead, spin! He loves spinning. But yeah, we did a bit of snow pushing here. Pushed some more snow up on the pile, got some pads cleared, so backhoe plus spinning child equals fun. So we're doing pretty well. Let's see here. Let me back her up a bit. And pretty much, there's just a lot of snow, but we'll go and push it a little bit. Four-wheel drive helps a lot, that's for sure. Meanwhile, he's just happy as a clam, so that's good. There it is. Back. And then over here, we got this cleared out. I'll put the bucket down so you can see a little more. But yeah, got in front of the wood shed. And the side door I got a little bit clear. I'm gonna path over to the driveway. And of course, path to the shelter. So that's it. The aftermath of the blizzard from March 14th. We're pretty well set. And then, yeah, there's the path I made out to the driveway. So we're in good shape. All right, thanks for watching.